Welcome to our Python tutorial series. In this episode, we're diving into the world of Pip, the Python package installer. Pip stands for Pip Installs Packages. Pip is the default package manager for Python. It's used to install and manage libraries and packages written in Python. Pip simplifies the process of installing, upgrading, and removing Python packages from your system. Here's how you can install a package using Pip. First, open Command Prompt, Windows, or Terminal, Mac OS/Linux, or Jupyter Notebook. Check if Pip is installed by using the code pip version. If Pip is installed, it will display the version number. If not, you'll need to install it. You can install Pip by using a get followed by the web address of the package. This script downloads the get-pip.py file from the Python Packaging Authority's website and executes it using Python, which installs Pip on your system. After running this script, you should have Pip installed and available for use. To install a package, use the command pip install package_name. Replace package_name with the name of the package you want to install. For example, to install the numpy package we will use pip install numpy command. If you want to install a specific version of a package, you can specify the version number, replace version_number with the specific version you want to install. For example, pip install numpy equals 1.21.2. You can also upgrade a package to the latest version using the upgrade option. Pip install upgrade package_name.